Many travelers confuse Rixos Premium Seagate with Rixos Sharm El Sheikh, but the two offer very different experiences. Seagate is family-focused, complete with aquapark access and children's clubs, while Rixos Sharm caters exclusively to adults, with an emphasis on nightlife and couples retreats. Guests booked at Seagate benefit from the Stay at 1, Enjoy at 2 program, meaning facilities at the sister property are also available, though the style of each resort remains distinct. The Ultra all-inclusive package at Seagate is extensive. Buffet dining is available for every meal, alongside a wide selection of a la carte restaurants that can be reserved in advance. Drinks are included across the resort, from beach bars and pool service to lounges offering local cocktails, soft drinks, and selected premium options. Entertainment is part of the daily program, with live performances, themed events, and organized sports included. Guests have access to multiple outdoor pools, the large aquapark with over 20 slides, and dedicated clubs for both kids and teens. For downtime, the spa's wet areas, including sauna, steam room, Turkish bath, and jacuzzi, are all part of the package. Some elements do fall outside the all-inclusive plan. Spa treatments come at an extra charge, with massages starting around $125 and private beach cabanas are another upgrade, beginning at about $120 per day. Specialty menus such as teppanyaki and imported champagnes are also excluded. I'll reveal more details as we go, or you can book your stay at the best price currently available using the links below. Rixos Premium Seagate sits in Nabq Bay, one of Sharm El Sheikh's quieter coastal areas, about a 15-minute drive from the international airport. The location combines natural beauty with easy access, giving you long, sandy beaches framed by colorful coral reefs, while still being close to nightlife at Soho Square and shopping districts only 10 minutes away. The resort itself runs along a private stretch of beach with calm waters that are ideal for snorkeling, and the free shuttle makes moving between the beach, pools, and aquapark effortless. For those who want to explore beyond the property, the Nabq protected area is close by and offers a striking contrast of desert landscapes and mangroves. This balance of seclusion and convenience makes Seagate a strong choice for guests who want both quiet resort comfort and straightforward access to Sharm's main attractions. The most affordable choice is the deluxe room with one king bed. At around $185 per person per night when shared by 2 guests, it works well for couples or small groups who want a simple but stylish base. For families, the family room with 2 double beds provides the best fit. When fully occupied by 5 guests, the rate comes to about $116 per person per night. The layout keeps everyone together in a practical setup that's comfortable enough for longer holidays. For more space and privacy, the Deluxe Suite Aqua offers 2 bedrooms and room for up to 6 people. At full capacity, the cost averages about $142 per person per night. The separation between the master bedroom and additional sleeping area makes it a strong choice for larger families or groups who value extra privacy without booking multiple rooms. Rixos Premium Seagate is designed to feel like a destination in itself, with facilities that stretch far beyond the basics. The resort features a modern fitness center reserved for adult guests, offering classes ranging from aerobics to dance sessions. Tennis courts, table games, and a full arcade give plenty of variety for downtime, while landscaped gardens and shaded terraces create quieter spaces away from the busier areas. The Anjana Spa stands out as a dedicated wellness hub. Beyond the included wet areas, guests can book specialized treatments such as Thai or hot stone massages, body wraps, and facials, all carried out in a setting that blends Turkish and Asian influences. A shopping arcade, luggage storage, multilingual concierge, and a small vegetable garden that supplies the restaurants all contribute to the sense of a fully supported stay. The entertainment program at Rixos Premium Seagate goes well beyond evening shows. The resort maintains a full schedule of live concerts, themed beach parties, and cultural performances that change throughout the week, giving you a different experience each night. For adults looking to extend the evening, the on-site nightclub provides a high-energy setting without needing to leave the property. Daytime is equally engaging. Guests can take part in beach yoga at sunrise, competitive beach volleyball matches, or table games organized by the activity team. Music sessions and dance classes run regularly, blending relaxation with a social atmosphere. Children are also included in the action, thanks to age-specific clubs that host talent shows, games, and supervised play. Together, these programs create a lively balance between laid-back leisure and high-energy events, ensuring there's always something to do, whether you prefer a quiet cultural show or a lively night out. Dining at Rixos Premium Seagate is one of the main reasons many guests choose this property. With 14 restaurants and multiple themed venues, the range goes far beyond the typical resort buffet. Turquoise serves as the international buffet hub, offering an expansive spread throughout the day, while a la carte choices provide more curated experiences. Guests can book a table at Salt for fresh seafood right by the beach, or head to La Churrascaria for Brazilian-style cuts served tableside. For a more exotic option, Mandarin delivers authentic Chinese specialties in a refined setting. Vegetarian and vegan menus are well integrated into the offerings, and a dedicated children's menu is available at select restaurants. Outdoor terraces allow you to enjoy dinner with views of the gardens or pool, and many venues extend late into the evening, matching the resort's lively atmosphere. Drinks pair seamlessly with meals thanks to 12 bars across the property, ranging from relaxed lounges to swim-up spots in the pools. Altogether, the dining program balances variety with quality, making it easy to enjoy a different culinary style almost every night of your stay. While Rixos Premium Seagate delivers a high level of luxury, there are a few points worth keeping in mind before booking. The resort's size can be overwhelming, especially for guests who prefer a more compact setting. With nearly 1,000 rooms and dozens of facilities spread across the property, you may find yourself relying on shuttles or long walks to move between areas. Families should note that while the aqua park and children's programming are extensive, the lively atmosphere throughout the resort means it's not the quietest option in Sharm. If you're looking for total seclusion, this might feel more energetic than expected. Measured against the wider Sharm El Sheikh region, Rixos Premium Seagate positions itself as one of the most complete ultra all-inclusive resorts. The sheer number of restaurants, bars, pools, and leisure spaces included in the standard package means guests aren't constantly faced with upsells once on site. This contrasts with other properties in the area where additional charges for activities or dining are more common. The scale of entertainment, from professional shows to day programs, further enhances the sense of value since these events would carry significant costs if booked individually elsewhere. Similarly, the aquapark's access being built into the package eliminates the need for off-site excursions, which can quickly add up in both time and expense. Rixos Premium Seagate is best suited to travelers who want a large-scale, activity-rich resort with a lively atmosphere. Families will find the aquapark, children's clubs, and wide dining choices especially practical, while groups benefit from the size of the property and the variety of spaces to gather. Couples who value energy and entertainment over quiet seclusion will also feel at home here, particularly with the added perk of access to the adults-only sister property nearby. For guests looking for an all-in-one destination that blends beach access, entertainment, and a global dining program under a polished, ultra all-inclusive plan, Seagate is one of the strongest options in Sharm El Sheikh. Book your stay at the best price using the links below.